Actor Rana Dugubati recently broke 1 million hearts when he decided to pop the question to his longtime girlfriend Mahika Bajaj, who happens to be from a very prominent business family in Hyderabad. Now Rana posted a picture of him and Mahika, and he captioned the picture with a very sweet message that said, "And she said yes." Well, congratulatory messages have been pouring in for Rana and Mahika, and needless to say that friends and family and colleagues are really happy for them, but we will be keeping watch to find out more details about the big day. We'll keep you updated, but nonetheless, here's the story. He has played one of the most iconic villains, Bhalala Deva, in the Bahubali franchise. लेकिन अब राणा दुग्गबट्टी बनने जा रहे हैं महिका बजाज के रियल लाइफ हीरो. The tall and handsome Rana, who is a huge star in southern cinema, shared the big news on his engagement to Mahika, an interior designer who also runs her own event management company. Rana, who was one of the most eligible bachelors and had a huge female fan following, is definitely going to crush several hearts with this announcement. But after keeping his romantic life very private all these years and leaving us waiting for some news, we can't help but be super excited for the couple who have brought us some much needed khush khabari. Making the big revelation and announcing their engagement, Rana shared a post on his social media handle including a beautiful sun-kissed picture of himself with his soon-to-be wife with the caption, "And she said yes." But who exactly is Mahika और कब शुरू हुई राना महिका की ये प्रेम कहानी? We did do some detective work and found out कि Mahika was born and brought up in Hyderabad और अब काम के सिलसिले में वो हैदराबाद और मुंबई के बीच ट्रैवल करती रहती है. An entrepreneur, Mahika has reportedly been dating Rana for 2 years now, but some sources say that the two have known each other for almost a decade. Interesting बात तो ये है कि Mahika seems to be very close to Sonam and Riya Kapoor and was one of the exclusive guests invited to all the functions during Sonam's wedding. In fact, Sonam has put out a post inviting Rana to the family while congratulating her dear friend. वैसे उड़ती उड़ती खबरें हमें ये भी सुनने में आई है that Mahika was spotted at some events where Rana was playing an important role too. But since the both were very private people, neither had really confirmed or denied rumors. But कोई बात नहीं, good news is great, and especially at a time like this when we all needed to hear something to cheer us up. The young couple looks very much in love and we are pretty sure that the plans for the big day have already begun. Congratulations Rana and Mahika, and we hope that you have a very happy life together.